Hello and welcome to another video. This is your man Nathan Hall, and thank you for joining us on the Gadgets and Greatness channel. If you like what you've been seeing, I need you to hit that subscribe button with the notification bell, give me a like, and share it with your friends. Let them know that we are on and reviewing and opening tech, gadgets, and the like. Today, we want to look at something I got in the mail. I don't know what this is. This is something from Amazon, from a company called Dragon Smart in New York. So we're just gonna open it together, see what's inside, and then we can be surprised together. There we go. Take a look. It feels like a big box. I don't know what's in it though. How you guys been doing with this hot weather we've been having? I personally, oh, interesting. If I look at the colors properly, I think this might be from, oh no, Novostella. I was gonna say another company. Novostella. Wow. This is a smart LED bulb from Novostella. Voice control, 10 watt wattage, dimmable, yes, bulb type, BR30, light base B26. So obviously this works by voice control, I'm assuming with Google Home and Amazon Echo devices. LED bulbs, 2700K to 6500K. All right, let's look inside. This must be a RGB bulb because it has an RGB rating. Oh, look at that. This is one of those floodlight type bulbs. Shout out to Novostella for sending this to me. I'm gonna give them some credit on Instagram because that's where I first was introduced to them. So they must have decided they wanted me to review one of their products. Let's see what this is. Oh yeah, post a review. Please, it is easy and takes around 3 minutes. Post a review on Amazon or via video or text. Free to me. Thank you, Novostella. All right, so this is obviously a smart LED bulb. Let me see if I can, let's see if I can get something to work with this. Hang on, I'm gonna pause you just a moment, hold on. Okay, I went and got this lamp. As you can see, there's already a Novostella bulb in here. I use this for another room. This is the standard size Novostella bulb. And here is the, I like to call them floodlights. We're gonna plug this in, right in there. A little hard because the opening's not as conducive for this lamp size or this bulb size, but that's okay. Okay, now the first thing you do when you install one of these new Novostella bulbs is you turn it on and off real fast. So once the bulb starts to blink fast, you have to go to the Smart Life app. I'll show you guys how to do this. Smart Life app. We want to add a device up here. Lighting. Confirm light blinks rapidly. Yes. Oh, I gotta connect it to Wi-Fi. Yeah. It has to be on the 2.4 gigahertz network in order for these to work. So there we go. Confirm. Now it's going to connect. And that takes some seconds. And as you can see, the light bulb stays bright as it is connecting. Did you hear Alexa back there? She just confirmed that the bulb was new and she connected automatically to the new bulb. Device added successfully, done. Now with the app, you can control colors, brightness, saturation, white mode, bright, dim, color temperature, yellow, or more natural daylights. Or you can say, let's try it. Alexa, turn the test lamp red.
Okay.
Alexa, turn the test lamp off. And there you have it, folks. The Novostella A60 RGB LED lamp just came in the mail. I'm going to give a shout out on IG. Thanks so much to Novostella for sending this to me. We'll see you next time, guys. Have a good one.